everyone, HD Braden here, and you know what this is. Without the burps. Today's the Diet Coke Chug without the burps, part 2. This shit is pretty freaking cold. Pretty freaking cold. And there's still a little white things because it got delivered. Saturday. Since Saturday I did Rockstar, and yesterday I did the shirtless Sunday with Diet Mountain Dew. And now time to chug that Diet Coke without burping. Since on Thursday I did it, but I failed. And I kind of cheated like a motherfucker. So let's chug that motherfucking Diet Coke without fucking burping right fucking now, bitch. Right fucking now, bitch. I see some fucking smoke. So now time for a chug, bitch. That Coke is cold as fuck, so put a petito, bitch. Recycle me. See you again soon. Man, I love Coke so fucking much. Damn fucking much. I love Coke. Man, that's fucking gas. Tried to let it out of my ass. Not how it fucking works. Not again! Not again. Shit! I'm gonna have to keep drinking without burping. I'll try again. Oh. That was hard. Oh. Loud ass burps, motherfucker. And if you burp 3 times, it's fucking over. Now I did it 2 times, and if it's gonna be 3, it's gonna be fucking over. Man, I love Coke. Coke would be better than Pepsi. brain freeze. Dude, if it's gonna be 4 times the burp, it's gonna be fucking over. No. Holy shit. Okay. There's some left, motherfucker. Holy shit. See you tomorrow, bitch. Guns N' Roses! I wore that shirt today to school, bitch. This is what I wore today, motherfucker. Peace out, Diet Coke, bitches.